I'm Connie from Guangdong Fireworks. Today, I would like to introduce an old residential building for you. This ancient building houses one of the oldest firecracker factories in Liuyang, Liuyang Firecracker Factory. The building has a history of 168 years. It was built in 1853. During Qing Dynasty, it took 4 years to complete the construction.
The building occupies a total area of 21,519 square meters. There were 400 rooms then, but now only around 100 rooms left.
Here it is, so far the oldest and most well-preserved firecracker factory in Liuyang, Liuyang Firecracker Factory.
There are two old firecracker machines that were used about 40 years ago. This one is for paper cutting and the other one is for nitrate crushing. In the 1990s, when the nut factory was moved out from here, there were more than 19 family workshops of firecrackers started coming out one after another. The local people told me that firecracker is not only a source of income, but also a friend in their life. They store firecrackers under the bed and slept with them at night. However, it is a very unsafe way to store firecrackers in the past.
The development of the fireworks industry and the emphasis on safety, regulations on safety production, quality control and transportation have become more and more strict. We are confident we can provide safe, wonderful and amazing fireworks for all of you.